Heroin is being mixed with yet another drug now, so powerful it is used to tranquilize elephants. Carfentinil it's called, and is to blame for a recent spike of overdoses in the area. Local 12's Larry Davis tells us more about this new public health alert.
Feel like saying enough's enough.
As if heroin laced with fentanyl hasn't killed enough people, Hamilton County health officials say drug dealers have raised the stakes, adding a more powerful synthetic opiate to heroin called Carfentinil. It is 10,000 times more powerful than morphine and 100 times more powerful than fentanyl.
Now we're talking about something that's 100 times more than fentanyl? I mean, wrap your heads around that number. That's 10,000 times more potent than pure heroin.
Hamilton County Coroner Dr. Lakshmi Thamarko says what saves a lot of people from heroin overdoses may not work with heroin laced with this powerful opiate.
Narcan may not save you on this one. Nasally applied Narcan, which is available for heroin users' family to save their loved ones in case of an emergency, that may not do it.
Danny is a recovering heroin addict. He asked that his face not be shown on camera. He's been clean now for 5 years. He says when it comes to getting heroin, it is like playing Russian roulette.
You just don't know. It's the luck of the draw. And nowadays, that's why you see so many overdoses is people get bad batches. They get fentanyl and they don't know what they're getting, and they do their normal amount thinking that they have heroin and they have fentanyl. And
Danny says heroin is so addictive, users forget about the consequences.
when people are using, none of them want to die, but they don't know a way out and they're trapped. And they get to a spot where it consumes them and they don't care.
Danny says addicts can get clean. The coroner says it's not too late.
So, bottom line, this would be a great time to get clean. This would be a great time to get clean and stay clean.
And Rob, as if this new form of heroin isn't dangerous enough, police, fire, and EMS personnel now in Hamilton County are being warned not to handle this drug or any drug paraphernalia. They say the carfentanil can easily be absorbed through the skin. As a matter of fact, Hamilton County law enforcement is now telling police not to field test this drug because of this powerful combination. Live in Mount Auburn, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Round back to you.
Larry, as if it wasn't bad enough, this stuff is just unbelievable, isn't it?
Well, when you think that it's actually used on large animals like elephants, you know it's powerful. And they say that just 1 milligram of this stuff can kill you. And the Narcan may not help you if you resort to that. So
yeah.
Get clean now if you can.
Let's hope somebody's listening. Health officials say before turning up in the tri-state, heroin laced with this carfentanil has been found in heroin supplies elsewhere in Ohio and Akron. There were 25 overdoses, 4 of which were fatal over a 3-day period. Columbus reported 10 overdoses in just a 9-hour window, 2 of which were fatal.
So scary.